Start. The appellant, in her petition filed under Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, has contended amongst others that without any reasonable excuse, the respondent withdrew from her society and that the respondent is bound to live with the appellant and give her conjugal companionship. Stop. The cardinal principle for exercise of power under Section 24 of the Code of Civil Procedure is that the ends of justice should demand the transfer of the suit, appeal or other proceeding. Stop. In matrimonial matters, wherever courts are called upon to consider the plea of transfer, the courts have to take into consideration the economic soundness of both the parties, the social strata of the spouses and their behavioural pattern, their standard of life prior to the marriage and subsequent thereto, and the circumstances of both the parties in eking out their livelihood and under whose protective umbrella they are seeking their sustenance to life. Stop. Given the prevailing socioeconomic paradigm in the Indian society, generally, it is the wife's convenience which must be looked at while considering transfer. Stop. Para. Further, when two or more proceedings are pending in different courts between the same parties which raise common question of fact and law, and when the decisions in the cases are interdependent, it is desirable that they should be tried together by the same judge so as to avoid multiplicity in trial of the same issues and conflict of decisions. Stop. Para. As noticed above, the appellant is a young lady aged about 21 years, staying alone along with her aged parents. Stop. Under the above circumstances, it is difficult for her to travel all the way from Chennai to Vellore to attend the court proceedings of the case filed by the respondent seeking annulment of marriage. Stop. Further, it is also just and proper to club all the three cases together to avoid multiplicity of the proceedings and conflict of decisions. Stop. Therefore, the High Court was not justified in rejecting transfer petition bearing TRCMP number 473 of 2020, filed by the appellant herein. Stop. Para. Resultantly, the appeal succeeds and is accordingly allowed. Stop. The order dated 19/11/2020 passed by the High Court in TRCMP number 473 of 2020 is set aside. Stop. We direct transfer of FCOP number 125 of 2020 pending consideration before the Family Court, Vellore, to the Jurisdictional Family Court at Chennai. Stop. We also direct the clubbing of the aforementioned three cases so that a common order may be passed by the concerned Family Court at Chennai. Stop.